In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Fidelity. Whether you need quick help with your account, a detailed response in writing, or guidance for a specific service, I'll walk you through the official ways to reach Fidelity safely and efficiently. Let's start with phone support. The main customer service line is available around the clock, so you can call anytime, day or night. If your question is about a workplace plan like a 401k, international trading, or your Fidelity debit card, Fidelity also offers dedicated phone lines for those departments. You'll find those numbers clearly listed on the official contact page. When you call, have your login details handy and be ready to verify your identity. A brief summary of your question can help the representative route you quickly. If you prefer shorter wait times, try calling during off-peak hours, like early mornings on weekdays. If you don't want to call, live chat is a great alternative. To start a chat, log into your account, open the contact page, and choose Start Chat. Live chat hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time, and Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Chat is especially helpful for straightforward questions and quick troubleshooting. And since you're already logged in, the agent can often view relevant account details right away. If you're multitasking, keep the chat window open so you don't miss an agent's reply. For non-urgent matters, consider sending a secure message. When you're logged in, you can compose a private, email-like message right through your Fidelity account. This option is useful if you want a written response or need to reference information later. Write clearly, include any relevant dates or transaction details, and avoid sharing full sensitive numbers that aren't requested by Fidelity's secure form fields. No matter which method you choose, always begin at the official contact page. Fidelity.com, customer service, contact us. Bookmark it for quick access. This is important for security. Scammers sometimes impersonate financial firms, so verify all phone numbers and contact options directly on Fidelity's site. If someone contacts you unexpectedly, don't rely on caller ID. End the call and reach back out using the official contact page. Fidelity will never ask you to share passwords or one-time codes over an unsolicited call or message. That's it. Use the 24/7 main line for immediate help, the dedicated department lines for specialized needs, live chat during posted hours, or secure messaging when you want a written record. Start at the official contact page and you'll be in safe hands.